Okay, so I'm going to show you the tea now, the tea ball. So this is called the runner. So we've just used the little part of the tea, the end, it just slots into the base. You can use a variety of balls. I love using this one because I love seeing it going in the air. So you can run up to it, you can just be in a chair. I'm just going to kick it and chase it. So I kick it, chase it, run back. So that's a nice one. I could use a target to go over, I could use my bridge, a cushion. So there's different ways of tapping it up. So that's a nice one to use. It's with a stationary ball. We're going to move on to the coconut shy. I'm going to add in a couple of pipes now. So I'm going to put in the pipes and put the tea on the top. Again, you can have the lightweight ball. I'm going to pop it on. We call this the coconut shy because I'm going to pretend I'm at the fairground. I'm using my fluff ball. And I'm going to go knees to trees and try and tap it off. I could use a different ball. Lisa's got a tennis ball. I could really use it eye to sky. Oh, listen to the sound of that. Great for your fine motor skills. The feeling of all these different types of balls. You could vary the balls on the top for the coconut shy for knocking off. So that's coconut shy. The crane, so this is a kick ball over the target. So Lisa's going to bring in the net and I'm going to try and kick it off. So again, different heights. So I'll start with this one. I'm going to try and hit it up to the crane. See if I can kick it into the net. Yay! And Lisa could do that, but she might want to add in an extra pole. And then, do you want to have a go, Lisa? Okay, when you're ready. Way! We did it. So there's different heights with the crane. So this is one of my favourites, the Olympic torch. So I'm going to carry my torch. Where's the tea end, Lisa? Here we go. So the tea on top. And again, I can use different balls to coordinate fine motor skills, balancing it on top. I can hold it close. Da, 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 da. So that's my torch. Again, I can add in a tennis ball. I could balance with my hand, so that's a little bit trickier. So that's called the Olympic torch. So that's that one. And then the final one is the chopsticks. So I'm going to get different balls and I can pick them up, squeeze them together using your fine motor skills, and then moving around and dropping maybe on a newspaper or on a cushion or just dropping it. So that's called the chopsticks. And again, you can use different balls. That's a bit trickier, that one. Oh, that's tricky, the fluff ball. Hard to go squeeze a bit more. So that's called the chopsticks. Enjoy.